welcome back. We have another short lesson today. However, we do have some new grammar, and we are going to jump into that straight off of the bat. This particle is no, and it is used in many different ways, but it is most commonly known as the possessive particle. We can use it to connect two nouns together. So, we can add no to the end of a noun to make it possessive of the noun that follows, right? Noun plus no plus another noun. We can also just use it with one noun, right? If we attach it to just one noun, it singles out that noun in a group of things, right? If I wanted to say, which one is your cat? Oh, the white one. The white one is mine. The big one. The fat one, the cute one, things like that. We can also use no in that way. In English, there are lots of different ways to make something possessive, and every single one of them has different grammar rules. Sometimes we even go as far as to alter the spelling of something, right, in order to make it into a possessive adjective. But in Japanese, we don't have to do that. All we have to do is use no. No does everything. Whether it's a possessive pronoun, an adjective, or an apostrophe s, all we have to do is add no. This means that both my and mine are watashi no. Her and hers are kanojo no. His, kare no. And whose, dare no. Mother's, okaasan no. Teachers, sensei no. Kayla's, keira no. And George's, Georgie no. Japanese, nihon no. American, American no. Notice that America is written in Romaji even though you know the characters a and ka. But because this is a foreign borrowed word, it wouldn't be written in hiragana. Instead, we would use katakana. Italian would be italiano, and French would be fransuno. You just take the country and add no to make it possessive. These are possessive adjectives. So, take a minute and read this question. Think about what it means. Neko wa dare no desu ka? What do you think? As for the cat, right? Cat is our topic. Whose are they? Whose are they? She's a girl. So which word do we need to use to answer? We want to say that they are her cats, right? She's a girl. They are her cats. The first way that we can answer is we can follow the exact same format as the question. And we can say, neko wa kanojo no desu. As for the cats, they are hers. But we could also say, kanojo no neko desu. They are her cats, right? We could say either one. As for the cats, they are hers. They are her cats. Either one of these sentences is going to answer our question. Whose cats are they? How about this one? Take a minute, read the question. What is it asking? Inu wa dare no desu ka? As for the dog, whose is it? Whose dog is this, right? This is a man. So we need to say it is his dog. How do we say that? Using the same format, we can say inu wa kare no desu. As for the dog, it is his. But remember, there is another way that we can use this. How can I connect these two nouns, inu and kare, using no? What do you think? Take a minute, pause the video. Are you ready? We can also say, kare no inu desu. It is his dog. Both of these are fine. Now, here comes the fun part. We can connect multiple nouns together by placing no between each one. So we have this sentence in purple here. It's a long sentence, but you know all of these pieces and all of these words. So take a minute and try to read it. What do you think? 彼のお母さんの犬の名前は太郎です。So, 彼の his お母さんの mom's 犬の dog's 名前は name 太郎です。What does this mean? His mom's dog's name is Taro. And as I mentioned earlier, when no is used with only one noun, it is like adding the word one, right? So here we have America no wa watashi no kuruma desu. What do you think this sentence means? America no wa. This one has only one noun. And then we have watashi no kuruma desu. Watashi no is my. Kuruma, do you remember? This was from your vocabulary list. It means car. So this means the American one is my car. My car is the American one. Okay. Now let's practice some reading. It doesn't matter if you don't know what these words mean. I just want you to try to read them. I will also tell you what they mean afterwards, but for now, just focus on reading them. So this first one here, what do you think? We have 3 characters. The first one, su, I, ka. Suika, suika. This means watermelon. This was one of your first hiragana characters. We learned this one last time. What is it? U, shi, ushi. This means cow. This one's very similar to the last one, but the first character is different. Is it a or o? Which one? Is it oshi? No, there's no sun for the oasis. It's ashi, ashi. This means leg and also foot. Last one we have, oh look, be careful, it has a duckden. What is it? Kazu, kazu, kazu. This means numbers. Numbers. All right, everybody is in the pool. Good job. Let's give our dog a bath. First, we need to call the dog. How can we do that? What's this word? Oh, look, be careful. We have another duck then. What is this? The first one is zol, and the second one is u, u. When we have this O to U, we make like a long O sound. They kind of blend together. So zol, zol, zol. Zol means elephants. Now we can call for our puppy. Here, puppy. And there he is. He's in the bath and ready. Now we need to give him some soap. So we actually had this word last time. I put it here again because it is one of the longest words you've learned so far that you can actually read completely in hiragana. So try to read it again. See if you remember it. We have 2 that look very similar, but this one has a duckden. She looks pregnant. Oh. Su, soon, right? She's due soon. Su. This one has a duckden, so zu, suzu, shi, suzushi. Now, do you remember what it means? Because you learned it before. Do you remember? It means cool. Cool, like cool air. Let's soap up our dog here. And now we need to rinse him off. Need some water. What's this one? This one's very similar to the first one that was on this page. A little bit different. This one doesn't have a duct in. And we have another character. What is this? So, G. Remember that with this one, when it has a duct in, it's not Z, it's G. So, G. That means cleaning. All right, there we go. Bubbles are gone. Sprayed off our dog. We have sa and su. Sa, su. Sa, su. This means to point. Point. And there we go. Our dog is clean, ready to go. He's got some like eye patches for his under eyes, his dark circles, to make him beautiful. Now, before we go, I do want to talk about the textbook one more time. If you are having a hard time keeping up, if you're struggling and you feel like you need extra practice, please, please, please get the textbook to follow along. It's very affordable, and he also has a website and another YouTube. You can go follow his YouTube for even more videos, more Japanese videos that are also very similar to this. They're very basic, very easy to follow and understand. I think now he even has his own app. I've not tried his app, so I don't know what that's like yet, but I do know he's got a website called Yes Japan, and he's got a YouTube, which has the same title as the book, Japanese from Zero. Look at this thing. Look how thick it is. It's just a big workbook. It's a textbook that you can write in. So like, not only can you sit here and practice, you know, writing the characters, but it also has sample writing questions that you can answer with an answer key. There's an answer key. There's dialogues that you can practice reading, and tons more examples that you can get. So here's another sample conversation you can practice, and practice your reading comprehension and things like that. So definitely, if you feel like you need more practice, get the book. Follow along with the book. These videos will help you a lot more if you are also using the book. So if you're having a hard time, this is going to help you. It is available on Amazon for like between 20 and 30 bucks. I'm giving an estimate because the price, you know, could change a year or two from now. There's no telling. But as a general estimate, between $20 and $30. Very affordable for a textbook, especially a textbook that is this good. Like, this is a high quality textbook. Definitely recommend it. And as always, we have some homework. This time you're going to learn animals. I love learning about animals. That's my favorite thing to learn in other languages. My least favorite thing to learn in other languages is city vocabulary, things like road, stop sign, stuff like that. That's boring. I don't like learning those words. They're important. You need to know them, but they're just so boring. These are fun though. I think these are fun. So take a picture, screenshot it, whatever you need to do, study it, and I will see you again next time. Bye.